Today, I'll show you how to fix the common issue of a green screen in your video player, particularly on YouTube. If you can hear the audio but the video player is displaying a green screen, here are some troubleshooting tips for Google Chrome users. Follow these steps. Click on the three dots at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings. Under the System section, toggle off the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. If you're using a different web browser, the process may vary, but you can usually find the hardware acceleration settings in the browser's Help or Settings menu. Simply turn it off to resolve the green screen issue. I hope this helps you enjoy glitch-free video playback. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.